Monstruos dos.
Monstruos dos.
Excelente.
It is very good. Muy excelente.
Y te comerá.
Yeah, I will say this is also the year of big creatures.
A lot of big props, a lot of great practical stuff.
There was one cool projection scare in Monstruos that I really liked.
That's true. Overall, very fun, enjoyable. Probably in my top 3 of the night, honestly.
I think this is my top 3 too. This was a very good house. And the scare zone afterward with the luchadores, the monster luchadores, was very cool too.
Lucha Libre is great!
Woo!
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.